Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Where artifacts na tosowa salangeli we osowa ogomaye waya fe the social media presenters no participate no gwa ye artifact egeni ya ate abi ego ari ebuwa nenu ebuwa we ebuwa eje do ekwori osana ye atiyowa ari ya fe ya gbete wolisa. So it's a day of celebration. Congratulations to you all. Congratulations. In my yago where no we not come a normal artifact ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀sẹ́dọ̀ èmi ó pàtàkì nàbọ̀bọ̀ yí ẹ̀yìn náà ògògò máa yíyé audio social media presenters ní participate ó wà yá àtọ̀ lódàwé ìmátà àgárọ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ ni màá yá participate ọ̀gbọ́n ẹni ìmátà náà lórí social media ìnáwó náà fọ́ọ̀kì kì náà máa fọ́ọ̀k but èmi náà kọ́ sáyẹn kìnnà kéde kẹ́kẹ́ náà yẹn brace ẹ̀ lódàwé èmi náà lóye important ọ̀kẹ́kẹ́ náà yá awéwèé. So wàyà fẹ́ kìnnà gbọ́n yọ kìnnà má gbọ́n yọ celebrate wa wà náà wẹ́ ẹ̀bù wà ẹ̀gbá so wait what is the meaning of ẹ̀bù wà ẹ̀bù wà bẹ́ẹ̀ gbégbó ọ̀bẹ ẹ̀nà máa yọ before ẹ̀gẹ̀ náà yà ẹ̀ yà so congratulations to ìwé ẹ̀dọ̀ yà fẹ́ kìnnà wà sẹ́ kìnnà wà rán ẹ̀ mà yà fẹ́ the full Nigeria congratulations to Maya the full Nigeria congratulations wẹ́ artifact also wà ògbọ́dọ̀ kọ́ àmà yé náà mi ẹ̀ dáná bí wẹ́ náà gbọ́n ẹ̀ pọ̀ wọ́n dáná bí. Danobi, I not be your fans, but I don't like you now. I don't like Danobi. I don't do your party. You are not be PDP, but I don't like you. The way you dey dress, we gonna share this broadcast, go give Danobi me washer. And Danobi go Baba La, Kataka one the universe, go make transfer again Danobi. When on the Danobi, greeting to you all the way from Scandinavia. You don't know the way you take dress. Oh, be him. Onion more talking about baby. Oh, go one summer. Oh, so baba. Oh, so miracle worker. Oh, so quick. Oh, so mole. Your good not go kill you. Good when you do. Good when you do. If they read the good they follow you, they go. All right, yeah. The good work when you do, so mole. Nobody go fit spoil your name. I mean, I never tackle. Even here, Italy, ya we be. Ìyàwó gbé pọ́tẹ́mì no manu ọpọlọ sẹ̀rí dání àtàlélẹ̀wẹ̀ so you are free to go. Congratulations. I see you for there. I beg you with Bishop. So you believe you were to go around. I cannot fit watch that broadcast yesterday. Pastor, what we say yamu? Ovi gene no cow. Oviedo ni maya yo. Oviedo no yoko wa no that wa. Egoma, I'm Egoma, and where are we? You know, not in short, working at this side the way you were governor. You must rule for those states. Oh, I know when you're marrying, you're out anyway. When I had I never see you face to face, Pastor, but I hope get the national likeness for you. Thank you very much. I see the picture, and I believe saying and truth. Say you read it there. I don't fit talk lie. The video, I never plan. They tell me say this guy performed there. When the right musician will perform there, come out. When the right musician will perform there, they say this our brother. He go there, he perform. Until they call him. No swear. Egwene se egwaye koto rimani viedo. Everything you see together. Don't fear. No, not be don't fear. Don't cliff. Don't cliff. When don't cliff, man. When you can see one in the world, I heard they sing that music. But according to Manile Koyan, we have met it go with copyright. In one it when it pay, they go with copyright. When Olakoko door break, so we dey know music when they play now. Here go with copyright. We want you to work him in that play. What? No, man, don't cliff in Oga. Yes, thank you very much. I see you. Oh, thank you for that name. Congratulations to Billy Kiddo. I want to win my oil. You hear that bomb? I get more for that man. Ẹyin ni yeye ìparagbọ́n ọmọgẹ́mù mọ́ fọ́ra mi ọmọgẹ́mù ìmọ̀ ọba ìparagbọ́n ọmọgẹ́mù ìmọ̀ fọ́ra mi ẹyin ni yeye ìparagbọ́n ọmọgẹ́mù mọ́ fọ́ra mi ọmọgẹ́mù ìmọ̀ ọba wàrẹ́ brókàsì náà ẹyin náà All I go talk show. Ate. Osagbase yo. Ohiri. You know ohiri. Why me oh? Me all I go really case. So people they call me saying that people give me that case for the community. Nobody give me the case, my brother. If not so that they give social media presenters, don't be so that they give me the case. I'm a follower me Prince in your before what's it in that yeah Prince nigga ni near we nigga dorima a Prince Igebo follower me no he broadcast with doctor on that time when entered on your birthday we all celebrate her when I go witness her that day he might celebrate Prince Igebo. So for long, he made me a broadcast no I watch. He me like he me love not call long time. He me a broadcast. On the way they no sunu die. They no sunu me community that woni ekere. And we walking man no gulo be the community. That's what na way ja we matter me me. That's why I think involved for that matter. God is my weakness. God is my weakness. Atienai. Hello. I greet you. Wait first, make I put her for speaker. Wait, make I put her for speaker. Oh, wait to. What a call yeah, in the entire time for what you know a calling on a man of enter. All right. I need to disconnect this. Wait. All right. My people, wanna share this broadcast, wanna share them. Who here may tell no here, wanna free to share this broadcast. Wagayi, wanna share the broadcast. Even I go yo. And you will be the coming yours now. Feel free to come back or all right. Make a quick call am. Mercy. But we see waiting, make we talk. Wanna share this broadcast, my people. We go celebrate today, and we all go sit. I'll still give one the breaking news of the community. All right. I believe we will call later. But when I hold on first, we could never call. So waiting at the talk, they go. That's why I call this my follower, Prince Igebo. Hey, let me know what they happen. That's why I take enter up in the matter. Before my brother, that man sees at TT and the rest of them, constantly participate, say, if this thing not good, why do you all key this thing? So that's why you take enter media. Maybe see a lot of social media presenters now. They don't involve one. First and foremost, now celebration. We all day broadcast here, they talk, say, artifact in all day. Osai give it up, Babia go there. Osabana Base Yimae. And then now, artifact is so one. Congratulations to us. You want to celebrate. I congratulate all of you now. Everyone will participate. All the social media presenters will come out. They against all the plan. We go bend, not a bend. So that's why I come outside today. Now we must celebrate. I celebrate. It's short. 1 week. I can celebrate a celebration now. Don Cliff, congratulations. Wakakaboya. Imu weni me like egbe. Egwa me say. Egwa. Or a court. Ogi mani do. Kate wani kedore. Wayere egwa me say o. Egwa me say o. Egwa a court. Ogi mani do. What told Don Cliff. My very soon, why we like them? Mamuja Hewe. So thank you all for coming. Feel free to share this broadcast. Like body's artifact of a team is short now 1 week. Now I want to celebrate time. Yes, my people, congratulations. Now so. Oh, my great leader. Don JJ, I see you. You see, you there when they talk the matter. Uro Agbeyobere. Today na celebration day. Na celebration day. Osamakwe Yegayo. Osamakwe Yegayo. It's all about congratulations. Make una share this broadcast and feel free to invite all Ohiri. Anybody wey you know for Ohiri, you wanna share and go give them. Wanna share and go give them. Awena Gbowe Yokma. Name Yokma. Thank you for coming. Clara, I see you. Thanks for coming. James, I see you. Baba, thank you for coming. Martins, that is my supporter. I see you. Thanks for coming. Wanna feel free to share this broadcast and continue to the same star to support the brokers. And they could feel free to be my supporter. Well, I click a supporter ni that green button way this side there. They could be my supporter. And they celebrate. One day we ready. They go the verse. If you sit down, they go the verse. Make una like this broadcast. Almost 132 people watching. Only 33. Now don't like him. Make una like him. Now when they watch for the different broker, different platform, whether PFM TV, PFM International, Ola Coco Talk Show, YouTube, wherever you watch from. Make una like the broadcast. Make una like him. Una like him. I'm gonna continue the same style. Make una take the pepper. People wey no wan see how they celebrate. Una dey use am dey pepper them. Share this broadcast. City Boss, thanks. I see you. It's all about celebration. It's all about celebration, my people. They wanna share it. Who never share and make it share. Who never share. You will be the call us now. Just give me some more time. Yeah, give me some more time. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like the video. Now so, so thank you for coming. Wanna share get matter we want discuss today. We want discuss this very celebration. Short now 1 week. And I want to celebrate my great leader all the way from Canada, Steve Inoga. I see you. Thank you for coming. Yeah, even when I did broadcast, when you said that to me, I never even wash them. If I don't wash them, oh, wait till I yesterday. I told myself I never wash them because I did. Mato hiri, oh my God, we beg Europa. Oh hiri, oh hiri. Yeah, when we don't get hiri, you have a open here like media. Wow, but no like media. Wow, but no like media. I never watched that book. I now hear the say Don Cliff perform. I never even watch that. Now the music when me go like now go play there. Don Cliff. A quarter what's it? Egwa me say ọkọ nu ego ya se na siri I fe egwa me say egwa la boyi ni mama ne okeke ni ma wa kweyo o egwa ekoto ri ma ni riedo kate wa ni kedore wa yere egwa me say o egwa ekoto ri ma ni riedo we could have the same star. Well, I said this star group, you will never be my supporter. Be my supporter. Be my supporter. Ola Coco. Now, way forward. Nowadays, I those states want to move forward. Now, I stand for. I those states want to move forward. Now, I stand for. As I used to hear, Okiri matter. Now, I put them upon myself. Why a whole community, a whole this thing, only one person I be a no-gay. No John no John Way, nothing. So now this brokers, now very important brokers, now dengue. What share again no gay? Number blocking me or blocking one better. Auto sin. Here when we were not nice. Because I hear say you won't go sell 12 plots. I might swear you won't go sell 12 plots. We are pay your tossing. If we hear pay your tossing, I know. When we say we call person for here, he say you not get money to carry EBS. If we hear Kyoto, I mean in Kyoto, now I met you what tossing. Real hiri. You think he said to any. So while sort of thing, not bother yourself. Wanna share the broadcast? How many people don't send me like? Well, I send you like a good man. That's celebration. Don't sleep, I see you, and congratulations to the great Biniki Don once again. Ata Osanagba say yo, so not to celebrate. Make una help me thank Danobi. Everyone will participate. Everybody may did that. Oh, waya to waya wa wesi. Oh, waya wa wesi. Una go see am now. Una go see am now. Where is all these people? If I begin mention name now, una see at the talk. Talk am as e no be ogogoro man. He no go do live video for there. Oh. He no go give us update. Una see am there. Ogogoro. Who done? Amaya give him an update. Ama me update. Ogogoro where you are. Amaya went live video. Amaya went my live. You know to the show for computer building. Now na the different. What now you talk on for social media? You say we wake after Osama we by do. Amen swear. We your muruk by your red. Where Obaseki man go on wa go on eh. Eruka eh. Individual dey here o. You no go do live video. Maya give me an update. I'm a babuch inspector. No when you're a staff. Or Karele or Sadebe Avenue. Omajo. Egi agbete we. Egi agbelete bakada. Egi agbete we. Bete bolisan. Osama kwe yegi ayo. They happy. Cheers to you all. Even agogo yo. Where is my babush is better? When they go come up on social media now, I don't hear, what you got there? You get tomatoes, oh, boy, VP. Oh, boy, when you don't carry your phone, go there, go give people update when you do that video. Now to Sakwa vote, they give you bag of rice. Why a bua? Agbag bene, I bag bui. Now this one will tell you say me that we will unite. Maybe say we will be green snake under the green grass. Green snake under the green grass. Give one person 10 bag of rice. What you call concern the rest people. Orphanage home not there. Amami wawa. Where you saw if when I call the diaspora, I win here to back the white back. Why they go down when you? You say they know they regard them again. Cheers to you all once again to Wayato. Thank you all for coming. I see you. Thank you for coming. We never share the broadcast, make it share on. We want to share the broadcast. We want to share on. It's all about celebration. Oh, thank you, my leader. I see you. Yeah, of course. Yes, I called you before. I called you. I will still call you later. I call you. Anywhere you did, maybe you take soft wine. It's now water, anything. No the water when we may you take we celebrate. Most people are not rush this broadcast. People are not rush. Why here? Especially if you hear why tinyari updating you, Mike Bazi, they matter no. Oh, Destiny One! That is my leader. I see you, Destiny. Congratulations. Destiny One! That is the man behind the AG room. I see you, my leader. Thank you all for coming. We'll talk, babe. I see you. Now, so my people, I go watch the broadcast. I go watch. With that, I say now, Apoko Nini carry am. I see Apoko. Don't wait, my leader sent to me. I go watch am. All the musicians will perform there. All the artists will perform there. I will come and go thank them. I never even know how many perform. Now only don't please. I only come me wow. Don't please. They say the place now wow. Now wow. Waiting I call happy pass. Now the right people, then you just go there. The better people, when I mean one, people I won't see, then you just stay there. That not be. And God will bless you. That not be. But when they go more, if they take hey, they dressing now low in my una wey don watch that thing. Now this dressing that not be take go there. If una eat, take go there, make una let me know. Make I put down for there for una. Now so that not be take go there. That not be. Sarah Vivian, thanks for coming. I see you. Thanks for coming and congratulations to you once again for your new album. Thank you for coming, the boss lady, beautiful woman. Thanks for coming. I see you, Sarah Vivian. See you. God thanks for coming. Baba himself, Baba Domo, a great leader. Baba himself, thanks for coming. Domo sir. Baba Lugard, the boy loyal. Baba na celebration I do. Artifact is so wow. Artifact is so wow. Artifact or so wow. Are they happy? My people are not they happy with me. If you know say you they happy, I bet make una the right congratulations. What when you right congratulations? When we celebrate that for that kind of 10 minutes, what many congratulations yo. Ni ma switch il ohiri. Ohiri. Ah, you know get even a day no barrier avec you. Hola Coco. Once we talk her. Okay, you see him now? You not see him now? He said, I was ashamed that nobody could do proper live video to show the rest of the world. Nobody go do live video to show the rest of the world. Where is Amagba Bush Inspector? Where is Ununo? Where of Amagba? You not say that you get media for Edo State? You not say that you be cracking on them, eh? Oh, Ununo, where of Edo State? Where your camera? Where you dey? Now, who ba? No, to the insult people when pass you now for the carry first. Then they are tie bonako beriano. Tu abonne Sandoka. Tu abonne bi anti Shema when na here. No wa magbe. O ko da o. When we na ko da o. Ah when na tie bonne Wesley Asoro o. We tie bonne ni. Now only to the insult people, you dey select people with the insult. Where you dey? Where when okwemila? Where? No be you say you be the Nenemi or Mene Connect. Or Mene Connect. Diaspora Connect. Or Mene Connect. Una see una now for social media. Say this comment, this powerful comment. Where are they? Where they come dey? Nobody to give una update. If not to show una work wey not dey ground. Oh gogoro man. Oh gogoro. Talk am as e no be. Who woro? Obi obono is where you go. Now you go fair this day. Go dey give una your update. Important thing we be say we value and pass any other thing. Who knows on the avenue? Oh, who knows on the avenue? I'm talking. Oh, why not me follow us on the avenue? What concern because on the avenue? It's just 4 years. After 4 years you go. That person go 4 years ago. Oh, why not remain the same? Where there? That one go the you episode on Yamuju. Why woman episode ni wo? We go gba lo yan. Wa ti dada gume. Be dada ye na yi. Be dada re. Ti e gume. Ogele of Fosto. Wa dey. On any mo pa wa dey. No, he will go there, go give us update. Go give us update. Oh yeah, wait me. You say that you be your meme. Me crack your meme. Where you come there? No update. Why if you enter diaspora, you say, my iviedo. If you not keke no wa, I'm you. Or meme people. Or many people, where they come there, no better update. Nobody give us update. When I went there, diaspora, make club they follow them. I think we are over Banon area. No people, no. I'm a boy store. Where be saying that he will tell you that say he don't drive on John Osaka come for Benin. He not drive on. Now John Osaka use the mic come on. Now he march. Now he take top. Now John Osaka use the mic come out. Where he dey? He not get phone again. He not sabi do live video again. Talk am as he not be. Now to go the show na computer building. He's working. Wait till they deceive una. He tell una so power plant dey come. By the end of the day, they donate money go dey put solar light. They donate money to do solar light for River State. Who are money the motor? You want where dey diaspora most of una. If you la pa re gbo yo. That means they goggle now, rich like that. Some women, they be deaf. They not most of them now diaspora they can't know what it is. Woman not safe. Iye me na yare. Iye me na yare. E we bonya do yas. Me go atare nka o e kia wo ni. Ima onye de agbunu yo e. E we bo e so ya e. No ma mi o ma ere do wa. Ake atie ogbere na ibabi ala no mu ere goto. Mumu. Wa donate wo ya mu ne wo vinya tie wo kokoro ma talk am as no be when they happy say when they do solar light who dey responsible to now for office there where you no go there na to go dey show solar light solar light go dey show us use solar light now Okirimata no make me bless and all these people I don't leave them one corner now Okirimata na owe me that's why I happy now say House of Assembly wey be say that other one will be woman rapper. If now only this one they fit see, will give the I'll come and come celebrate them. People wey keep people for Okiri to put to justice. They Okiri people need justice. The important thing when the people be say they go celebrate. When they celebrate, all of them not go. All of them if na alagi yeke. If na alagi yeke, now they fit reach there. Alagi yeke, no alagi yeke. Allah will not become alagi yeke. If na alagi yeke now they call them. When I come to 30,000, they don't fair reach there. Edo best, the best of them. Where Edo best don't go. When they say that they use computer, Edo best, then they teach children. They get led to us so they do practice. They get led to us so they do homework. Una bet computer for them to take study for house. Now they show us school. Now some computer, they go and show all the students where they live and how they study at home. This Ogogoro man, no way na the evening. Ogogoro man, I don't know where how this will pass through our Binicon. All these people they supposed to go come out from that zone. Not be where we did when we don't supposed to come from. Not be where we did. That masses were talk about. Not be where we did at all. Where they did to not represent. Where they did. Where they nobody come out, come do brokers, better brokers may we see. Nobody come out. Where they did. If now waiting not good, now they different, they deceive for diaspora. Tell me one particular thing what the governor don't do. Why you? No governor big, but you can criticize governor. Not be your God. God see a man, don't go beat back. We don't, you know, say situation room, but they go they learn. I know they go situation room, go they laugh. I they learn. If once I come out from there, when I was saying I be different person. Situation room. The last situation room last Sunday year. Update from there. Bank, we are going bank. We want to write the name of the bank come out. Bank from the governor of the bank here go the way. You are man who are here. All the other you want to have your key. You want to borrow a bank in here. All these PPOS in here, a bank in your transfer or big bank, a bank. We will see the investigate. What will be the name of the bank? The men that men were not sent here the last time. The manager of that bank. Where are they?
You say that Globus Bank. Globus. You say that Globus Bank.
Yes, God bless you. This man the enter class. This man the enter when your hand. God will bless you. Yes, you the enter class. Globus Bank. Now Okirimata, even the manager, we don't get the name for that situation. Last Sunday, yes, so the name manager, we don't get her. The manager of the place. How people take get percentage of that bank, we don't know. Okay? One of Gualupo, Osioma power plant, or Mare, Gele Seaport, or Mare, Ukberedo, a bank in a pay way. A bank in our better ring go to better one year, or I don't know 1 year. Magbabush is better, never carry camera control us. We don't get update on this bank. Person when you know say that he get this bank, may you come media, may you come educate us. We want to know whether we did wrong or we did right. We want to know get this bank. Okay, the matter Dimeyi, that masses. You tell me, what happened yesterday? Why am Magbabush is better not carry the phone go give us updates? Why Ogogoro man, talk am as e no be. I know say you invite am. And you invite am for your broadcast few days ago. They only just answer one question. Wetin your boss don do, I know because I late come there. You don't. I know somebody come and say you wrong. He wrong. Ogogoro man, not they go interview again. Any RT where you go situation room, they ask you question, you wrong. That must is next invite you now. Only small question they go ask you. You people not fit defend on yourself. What you not going to do there? You they come there, you think they deceive people. Where we now? Open people were here. What a solar light or what can wake a solar light? You before you know what happen now, you go open trouble. Ask me where all these people. What do they call them? Okwemila. And all where you feel do many. Why they not carry live video? Go there, go give people updates. That I may know what are.
Na when be makabo sasa vesi la.
When people when they watch here, now make una tell us why these people don't carry camera go there.
Let me trip in here.
Congratulations, you turn. I've said all this before. Abi, why they don't una see una now? All of una we don't see a cracking and back for head. If not to carry rice, to level, easy. When only get tomatoes here, we say family where you are, who better will listen, who why better will listen, who why better will listen, who not go tell Ohiri, and don't go Ohiri. When I would just say, I'm come on the way they come and say, so they give me money. Nobody give money for this case, so I'm going to go, man. My follower, Prince Gebo, ATA. I know this as now all of them they watch now, they give me like they encourage me. What you know the West oh. All I could not be person like that oh.
You know, see if anybody will talk about see that they give her money, now people they sponsor them because you know see that they give some people money for social media.
That's so
let's focus on the celebration. Let's celebrate. When we community, when we
okay, my caller. Caller, we hold on. Caller, may you hold on. We hold on in sometimes a broadcast act be your every day I expect all day. If you see me now, you will see and say, joy every day inside me. Caller, our matter can Abinyana, Okiri matter wa be topic ni muyewa. O celebration and Okiri community. Me meti we broadcast ni me gwa Okiri because that is my agenda. I'm a the contract. It was like Ebony. Also ni na take upon myself. That don't be participate or always take upon their self. I'm a team. So social media show me okay gwayo aseto wene. Me but this one is not like that. Okay, comment no one comment here ma or ya we ya go ave Amagbabuchi inspector go. Okay, caller me I know what happen now. Even the celebration you got here we know there. Me we eko gogo we. Ugogo eko so wo yene. What's your name? Amagbabuchi inspector Ogogoro man. Osakwino Kwemila. What's your name na mo camera re ba ni ya video